The EnviroShield disinfection system has been a key component of JAN-PRO Cleaning and Disinfecting's arsenal since 2010. JAN-PRO Cleaning and Disinfecting has always seen the need to provide a more effective disinfecting method than traditional spray and wipe techniques, which only tend to provide about 80% surface coverage. That means that regular methods are leaving 20% of surfaces untreated, in addition to all the hard-to-reach areas that people don't normally think about but can easily become contaminated. The EnviroShield system has continuously evolved since being introduced to incorporate new technology, processes, and products to maximize effectiveness. EnviroShield is a complete system that relies on three critical components to provide safe and effective disinfection: an electrostatic delivery method, the right type of disinfectant, and cleaning franchisees certified in the EnviroShield system to deliver the service. First, the sprayer must be electrostatic. Compared to a traditional sprayer or fogging machine, an electrostatic sprayer converts the disinfectant into a powerful mist that is dispersed through nozzles. These prongs and surrounding ring produce an electrostatic field which adds a positive charge to the tiny droplets of disinfectant. These charged particles of disinfectant are then attracted to hard surfaces and objects at a rate much stronger than the force of gravity. The electrostatic charge not only ensures that the disinfectant makes contact with the target, the charge forces the spray to evenly spread and coat surfaces, objects, touch points, and other hard-to-reach areas that traditional spray and wipe techniques will leave untreated. The second component is the disinfectant. It's important to note that not all disinfectants are created equal. EnviroShield uses an EPA-approved disinfectant that is safe on all surfaces, safe for humans and animals, and leaves no residue behind. It's safe enough that employees can return to work right after their facility has been sprayed and the surface has dried, which only takes a few minutes. Finally, the right sprayer and disinfectant isn't enough. JAN-PRO Cleaning and Disinfecting customers can feel confident knowing that every EnviroShield disinfection service is delivered by cleaning franchisees certified in the EnviroShield system. Every certified technician must undergo thorough technical and practical certification to ensure they can deliver the best service to their customers. Make sure you, your employees, and your customers are safe by accepting no imitations. Whether it's a one-time job or part of your regular cleaning schedule, trust JAN-PRO Cleaning and Disinfecting and the EnviroShield disinfection system for your cleaning and disinfecting requirements.